mwanchorete ina egasi mwakorire. Obare is not the reason as to why egasi tari okorbuitangare. The reason as to why egasi tari okorbuitangare, Your Excellency, is because of your incompetence. Nsaba bagaka baito babo basi. Abagaka baito batugambira nobotohereru. Abagaka babo basi mugako ito Chris Obure. Mugako ito Steven Manoti. Mugako ito mujumbo ito tosigete mugako tabwati mangana mugako biri. N'abagaka bari bonsi bibamasikani bo mubasi. Ntagetemba sabe bunancho mwana moke nekeiri njero mwana moke. Mbasabe mukwanire mugabano ito. Kagero mubasi achayo asenye nje ebinte byawo ko rumukusi. Kominyoka chi ward chiaba MCA ko barama. Eitari magenderero. Eitari siasa. Abarai babero, Your Excellency, you're not the first governor. To atwara mugako ito James Elvis Omaribongwai. Okore thega asiengi yabusi engi mekorokana. Oriende taba basi ba minto. Tu abwate chief officer inye. Tu abwate chi minister. Kangebi na bintu Your Excellency go chota daibo basinga njibuno mugabano ino mwano ino na abakorere ABCD na alikira abana banganike county na akorire gasierega nyagitari eto ya mache nebwata mariogo nyagitari eto ya riobara nebwata mariogo nyagitari eto ya kyongonke kwamete kwa ete contract quality nebwata mariogo nebintu bunebi amacha itanya gukutu abegete chibesa kango Your Excellency bina bibintu gocha goitangare otebya baitangare because that is why omui basi awakere tekura na ntuevu ninga ntobwato mwana ite county. Your Excellency nko inyoliga emyaka 5 nko erere nchobarari tari mambo mu MCA egento byokango kusaba gokoranga bagaka baliyo gochoramba kokonyo kolegasi ya basi boitangare of which I know ngamba gocha assembly kiramo goeterie budget assembly ayechora bagaka bali babeke kire kenyoro babeke kire sublocation egasi ekoru ebintu biri byaitere budget na ayo sune yagongeri ya 3.2 billion ore tombe kase ya 27 aba basi boitangari bakore gwegasi. I will go home a happy man because abantu baito bakore gwegasi. Your Excellency ngo remindiga the seat and the position of governor is a very big seat. Please don't demean that seat. Ochaka tuchaka kwiranira ninje naye nje no mu MCA onye ko tageti kwiranira ninje naye, you will be demeaning that seat. Your Excellency, I also want to remind you, basacha mbali gotwara bitina 24/7. Ebinte byokora it's an ebintu bitali bi embyo mu Gusii. Musacha tari kunya kumana 24/7. Inche no mwana minomoke onye nagosire yoko ndangeri tukwane. That is how governance is done. Lakini yebiga Your Excellency yoko minyokeria abantu baminto ki t-shirt. Kuminyokeria abantu baminto 200. This is not the time. This is not the time. Your Excellency, I want to remind you. I might not be the problem. What you need, Your Excellency, is a 3-month crash program at Kenya School of Government to understand management. You cannot run a county as though it is your house. A county is a structured organization. The manner in which you are running Kisii County is wrong. Nande kuagere litari mubasiri ya chairu. Antona baramba agotebi, karogo tare tauni litari mubasiri ya chairu. Inche, tingo kani uchayu, asengencho yago. Nande tingo kani mubasi ya chayu, asengencho yago. I will speak my mind. Like me, hate me, I will tell you as it is. I have no problem with you, but you cannot govern your people the manner in which you are governing them. I want to remind you, Your Excellency, this is a democracy. And in a democracy, we have divergent opinion. You are not supreme. You are not our supreme leader. Matoko buati 24/7. Intwege ntoto saba. Korera aba basirasi. Tiga abana baito torenga abana baito bali county. Batike korero korera bakorera. Abana baito bali kru county. Abu eswate ni neriyo bara. You did not tell them nga kwa butiro mwana wabo kuruka Isaya Mosota. You did not tell them nga nero lenge county atoni yawo ukamubutegasi. Alina abana ba minto. That is what pains me, Your Excellency. Injenta getoko sababa Gusii, onsi ya sababe. As we move towards 2027, the decision we make will define the future Kisii County will take. the decision we make going forward will determine nga yomo Gusii agotoka. Egento kende ntagetogote yaba Gusii. Tiga to tware obo muno bwanje. Tosikane bali bara turasoborai. Rero nindo mambitingio, but it is important nga tosike keroke kelitwa choriru. Thank you.